This week, markets में काफी एक्शन रहा. Let's quickly break down what happened and what was the impact. On Monday, markets gapped up with a good start. इस अच्छी शुरुआत का रीजन था न्यूजीलैंड की इंडिया के साथ ट्रेड डील. इंडिया न्यूजीलैंड फ्री ट्रेड डील के अंडर 100% इन एक्सपोर्ट्स के ऊपर कोई ड्यूटी नहीं लगेगी और इसी के साथ ही 15 साल के अंदर न्यूजीलैंड इंडिया में $20 बिलियन की इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा. ऑल्सो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम न्यूजीलैंड हैज साइंड एन एनेक्स टू फैसिलिटेट ट्रेड इन आयुर्वेद, yoga and other traditional medicine services with India. It gives center stage to India's Ayush discipline alongside Maori health practices. इसी के साथ RBI ने अक्टूबर का डेटा रिलीज किया जिसमें RBI mentioned that it sold $11.88 billion net to support the falling Indian rupee. ट्यूसडे को मार्केट्स तो थोड़े ठंडे रहे बट सिल्वर तो रुकने का नाम नहीं ले रहा. On Tuesday, silver breached the $70 ounce mark, reaching historical highs. On Wednesday, markets got a liquidity dose by RBI. RBI ने 50,000 करोड़ के 4 ट्रांचेस में 2 लाख करोड़ गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटीज बाय करने की अनाउंसमेंट की. इसी के साथ RBI USD INR में 3 साल के टेन्योर के लिए एक बाय सेल स्वैप भी करेगा. RBI के ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशंस 29 दिसंबर से लेके 22 जनवरी तक चलेंगे. We have seen this year, along with multiple rate cuts, the central bank is also doing OMOs to boost consumption. On Friday, we saw a surge in railway stocks extended their previous session rally due to increase in railway fare hike. Along with this, we also saw a massive deal in the Indian IT sector. Indian IT services firm Coforge said it would acquire artificial intelligence firm Encora at an enterprise value of $2.35 billion to boost its in-house AI capability. According to experts, the revenue coming in from the merger would help Coforge leapfrog Persistent, Mphasis and Hexaware to become India's 7th largest IT firm. Now I wanted to sum up here, lekin there is one thing more that I have to talk about. And yes, it is silver. Silver has breached the $79 per ounce mark after breaking out from previous all-time high of $50. We also saw news where Samsung has developed silver-made solid-state batteries that could use 1 kg silver per battery. These batteries can be charged in 9 minutes for a range of more than 900 kilometers. Now the $1,000,000 question, should you invest in silver? Silver is in uncharted territory right now. No one knows how high will it go. But one thing that investing has taught us is never board a running train. Maybe once or twice you can do it, but that is not sustainable. So anyone looking to invest in silver should wait for the prices to cool. Those were the market updates for this week. तो मिलते हैं अगले हफ्ते ऐसे ही अपडेट्स के साथ. Meanwhile, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.